Just another busy morning in paradise. 3 cockies, corella, female princess parrot. Mr. Kingy was here a moment ago, he just flew off, not sure where he is. There he is. Right down there in the middle of the trees. You might see him, I don't know. There he comes, he's coming back over. Up there. Probably see the branches moving. Is that you, Gimpy? Birds everywhere. Cockies, corellas, king parrots. It is Gimpy. I'm pretty sure that's Gimpy. Gimpy. Yeah. Gimpy's got a bad right leg. He's been coming, must be 4 or 5 years at least now. But we didn't see him for a while. Maybe a year. And then a few weeks back he just started turning up again. We know it's Gimpy because most wild birds are very shy, but he's happy for me to put food out for him and he'll come straight back and eat. He knows us, we know him. Hey Gimpy? And we've got our mobile typewriters over here. Come on boys. Some of these guys are more timid than others. Sorry about the video. There's Mrs. Kingy. Mr. Kingy. Come on Gimpy, over here. Come on Gimpy, you go around the other side. Come on, so the king parrots can come. Trying to film and put seed out at the same time is not easy. Here we go. Gimpy, now come around the other side. Come on. He's got a mind of his own. King parrots and the cockies are quite happy to eat together usually. There we go. having said that, it's a bit of a circus here. Let's see what happens. Evelyn? Evelyn? I've got Gimpy here with Mrs. Kingy trying to get down to eat together. And the horrorkeets are coming in for the kill. They're going to spoil the party for everyone. There is really a pecking order here. And the lorikeets may be small, but they're at the top. If they want seed, they'll push the cockies out, they'll push the corellas out, and they'll push the king parrots out. Oh, excuse me. Just a typical Sunday morning in the rain. I'm no more than 4 or 5 feet away from these king parrots. That's how much they trust us. And this cockie's going to try and... Come on, Gimpy, I'll give you some more seed. Come on. There you go. Okay. Let these guys have more to eat in peace and quiet.